So today I've got this hair tutorial for you, which is this hairstyle, which is on my head right now. And it's basically a high puff kind of thing. It's a little bit small because my hair is really short. I'm excited because it's the first time I've been able to get it into any kind of hairstyle. So it means my hair is getting there, it's growing, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get it in a ponytail soon. I just did this little puff. It's a mini puff. It's not very big, but you could probably get it more poofy if you used less products. But I used quite a lot of products to get it defined because I really wanted to define my curls. So I put gel and products in there. So if you wanted it more poofy and less defined, you could just use less products. But yeah, and I put a fringe stroke bangs because I have a big forehead, so you could do it with or without the fringe. That is entirely up to you. So yeah, but I like how it turned out. I think it's really cute. There's a few little bits of hair that didn't go in at the back, but I think they're kind of cute staying out. So if you want to find out how I achieved this mini poof with a mini fringe, then please keep watching. So I wet my hair earlier to get the product out, and now it is completely dry with nothing in it. So I'm just going to re-wet it with my curl refresher. And I'm going to spray some of my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use some argan oil.